Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Do not clear the, just give something else.
I'm not giving test Linux.
09. Okay, yes, fine. Do not clear the filter, let it be. Refresh
Okay.
it.
Shall we create the ppk file meanwhile?
You have already downloaded, right?
Yes.
What is the name of that?
Praveen Linux new
Oh,
dot
yes, do it. Puttigen. No need to generate, directly save the private key.
It will progress only.
Okay, fine. Save. Close this. Man, open the putty.
Still initializing.
Okay, then wait few minutes. Refresh it. Wait, it will take time, few minutes. Okay, 2-3 minutes it will take.
Yes, it is done. Two of two check first.
Give the IP. Yes. Wait. Left hand side there is a SSH. Below connection. Click on that. There is a yes. There is a auth. Click on auth. Only auth. Yes. Browse that PPK file. Click on open. Click on open. Accept. Type over to.
U B U N T U. Refused our key.
Why server refused? Once again. This is correct public IP address.
Yes.
Give the DNS.
This.
No. DNS public DNS. Hmm. Browse the PPK. Accept.
U B U N T U.
Right now, I think AWS server is down. Okay.
Okay.
There is not our right now, maybe. Okay. But you
Okay.
will able to access. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'll
Shame
check
to
after.
say.
No problem.
Okay. So go to Notepad.
Yes.
Okay. Inside it. So you can do it right. 12.
12 right? Okay.
Yes. Inside the VDI, you have to log into AWS. Wait. No. Click on
Here is the VDI.
Chrome.
Okay.
Open the Chrome. Here you need to log in the AWS console. Then you need to create it. Then try to access through this.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? So this is your homework. Do not do. Practice right now.
Okay. Okay, I'll do it later.
Okay.
I need to access.
Go there. So all the 12 labs, do you have any? Just mention why you are writing Chrome. These things are. You can log in Internet Explorer also.
Yeah,
Whatever
that is
may be feasible. That is your choice. Okay. So do you have any doubt till now?
no, nothing.
Okay. Great. Okay. So shall we wind up right now
Yeah,
for
no
Diwali?
problem. No
Hmm?
problem. No. So,
Sorry,
Rohit,
actually today I was facing some network issue.
no. So
Tomorrow at
Rohit,
what time you are available?
can we complete this within this week? Probably tomorrow,
Sure.
then Saturday, Sunday.
Yes, sure. Saturday we will take long time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow, same
At
time, probably 10 o'clock.
no, tomorrow is my working.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what is your working
So
hour?
my working hour is 8:30 to 7. Sometimes calls till 9:10 also. I'm free also. I'm working also. You can understand as a VP. Whenever the call meetings, correct?
Yeah, yeah. So in afternoon time also, if you can take a session, that is also
Yeah.
fine for.
Oh, afternoon like lunchtime. Is it fine?
Yes, it is fine. It will be better if lunchtime because I am actually on leave, but morning time and nights I go out sometimes. That is the problem. And Saturday, if you are saying, I'll stay at home and we can complete Saturday, Sunday itself. Everything.
Please, Saturday itself, not required Sunday.
Okay.
Saturday itself, I will complete.
So now
Okay.
you know, I just want hands-on. I know basic terminologies, everything. I do my homework also. I just need to know hands-on and how to access all this.
See, maximum, there are, 30 labs are there in AWS Solution Architect Associate level, 20
Okay.
to 25, maximum 30 labs. That is more
Okay.
than enough at associate level. Okay.
Okay.
We have already completed 12. Okay. Theory,
Okay.
concept, basic stuff I have already explained you, right?
Yes.
That theory terminologies and all characteristics why we are using all this stuff we have already come, right? Only the
Yes.
few more core services is pending. That is we will do max to max within 2 days.
Okay. And one more thing, Rohit, even if it is charging on my card, if you want to show something that will be chargeable, it is not a problem for me.
Don't see, as we have already created the free account, it will not charge you. Don't worry. That is the
If
reason I am telling you,
feel
create
it
and
is
delete it.
yeah, if you feel it is important and you need to show there will be some charge on it, then I'm fine with that charges.
Yeah, sure. See, I know I can understand the 100 or 200 rupees is not okay,
Yeah.
not a big deal for us. Correct? Don't worry
Yeah.
for that. I will definitely, I will tell you where you need to practice.
Okay.
Okay. Only thing is best practice is what? Always clean your environment. So right
Okay.
now you have created the window machine, right?
Yeah, Windows machine.
Yes, and
Windows
Linux
machine.
also.
Yes. Two machines
Go
are
to
there.
go to instance and delete it. Both.
Both.
Yes, delete.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.